Okay, let's look at condensing these log expressions. First thing I want you to notice is that you do not have to type in log after you've condensed. So it's already there for you. And some of these are trickier because you have three terms. And let's say in this one you subtract twice. Well, how are you supposed to apply the log rule when that happens? We've only seen examples of where you have two terms and you just subtract that one and you know it goes, the b goes under the, in the denominator. Okay, well here's the rule. For the terms that have negatives, meaning like this term and this term, these two both go into the denominator. Log of a, because that's the positive term, and then BC. Truth be told, it's kind of similar to if you had something like a minus b plus c. Well, you know, you could apply the product rule to this, combine this as log bc, and then this a would be on top of a fraction like that. But the way you see it in this expression, it's like the negative's been distributed to that b and to the c. But if you want to remember just one rule, just when you have anything in any order, log a, and the plus log b, and then a minus log c, and you're combining them into a single log, just make sure the negative terms, which are this one and this one, the arguments go in the bottom. And this one, oh, I'm sorry, a, this is supposed to be a, c, and this one stays on top. Okay, and then you're going to see a couple of these where the constant in front of the log, which is b, this here, is not just going to be a whole number, it's going to be a fraction. Well, you know the rule. When you condense, you can bring this b up into the power position. Okay? But what if said b is a fraction? So here are the conversions. A to the 1/2 is square root of a. Okay? This number down here called the index, if you remember, whoops, that's weird. Sorry about that. That goes into the pocket. A to the 1/3 is cube root of a. Getting the point? A to the 1/4 power is fourth root of a. Okay, so just remember that relationship. The denominator of the fraction indicates just how much the radical, how strong the radical is. This is a third root, this is fourth root, okay? And I provide buttons down there for your convenience to do those conversions.